Hi guys, we are playing Meowdoku and this is level 60. Let's start. Alright, let's try there. Alright, we need 9 cats to finish. So far we have 2.
Nice!
Let's try the green one maybe there.
Great!
Alright, purple one.
Perfect!
And then we have the yellow one. Alright.
Excellent!
Let's try the green one there. Okay. Now we only need 3 colors to finish.
Amazing!
Let's maybe try there.
Unbelievable!
Alright.
Unbelievable!
Then